And welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Pakistan got to 172 for 3 at stumps, replying to the West Indies 312 on day 2 of their second test match at the Kensington Oval in Barbados. Azhar Ali 81 and Captain Misbah-ul Haq 7 will resume batting on Tuesday's third day. Ahmed Shahzad is the next best scorer in the innings with 70, as Devendra Bishu has so far taken 2 wickets for 53 runs. Earlier, the Caribbean side added just 26 runs before being dismissed for 312, having resumed their innings on 286 for 6. Ruston Chase 131 and Jason Holder 58 both failed to add to their overnight score. Mohammad Abbas ended pick of the Pakistani bowlers with 4 for 56, while Mohammad Amir claimed 3 for 65. Pakistan lead the series 1-0 and they trail by 140 runs on first innings.